Such cheek! I will have you know that Master Lavania descended upon this world from a...
I'm having another scary dream.
That was when I met the girl in white. There was no way for me to know if this was simply a coincidence or a planned inevitability. Not that I was interested. I search for human dreams, eat them, and become human myself. That instinct is all that drives me. The girl cried about how she had nightmares every night, and said she wanted me to eat her dreams. I had only one thought back then. Excellent. I will make good use of her.
So you'll be devouring this girl's dreams, yes? And then you'll become human. How delightful!
It's almost morning. My name's Theo, by the way. See you tomorrow, Mr. Monster.
Fortuitous to have found someone freely willing to provide their dream. I think things will be quite busy from here on out. Oh my, yes. I believe it is now night in that world. The slumbering young miss will soon arrive. Welcome to the cage, young miss. It is the world connected to your dreams.
Oh, Mr. Monster. You're back! You're gonna eat my dreams like you promised, right?
Ah yes, an elevator! We truly do have all the modern amenities here! Although they are similar in a number of respects.
Take care of my dreams, Mr. Monster.
A shopping mall, a common sight. A family, a common sight. Though seemingly mundane, these are truly the most blessed and rare of days. Thankful for the gift of routine, the couple enjoys their ordinary lives. To tremble as screams erupt from outside the shopping mall. There, poised to attack their child, is what appears to be a massive flower. Let's get started. A nightmare. One that repeats time and again and leads back to a reality. His wife's eyes are dim pools filled with resignation, misery, and loss. But they have sworn to enact revenge on the flowers. It is the only thing that keeps him moving forward.
In order to eat the girl's dreams, we must first restore these memories, which happen to be her dream's original form. Anytime we find one of these dark scarecrows, we should proceed with its restoration post-haste.